You've been using your ice scraper wrong your whole life. If you look closely, the other side has little teeth. First, run those across the frozen windshield like this. The ridges crack the ice and create tiny fractures in it. That makes the ice lose its grip, so it lifts off the glass much more easily. Only then use the smooth edge and scrape it clean. The ice comes off way faster and with hardly any effort. 5 winter hacks you need to know. Cut a pool noodle lengthwise and open it up. Lift the windshield wiper, place the noodle over it, then lower the wiper back down. Do the same with the other wiper. This prevents the wipers from freezing to the windshield. In the morning, just remove the noodle and you're good to go. Next, take a zip-top bag and open it. Slip it over the side mirror and secure it with a rubber band. Do the same for the other mirror. The bag protects your mirrors from snow and frost. Remove the bags and enjoy mirrors ready for driving. Always keep a piece of cardboard in your trunk. Place it under the front wheels. The cardboard increases traction and helps you move off on snow or ice. 1 tablespoon is all you need, and you can forget about scraping your windshield in the morning. Cold mornings can be really unpleasant, and clearing ice off the glass often takes way too long. Instead of buying an expensive de-icer, you can make your own. Pour 1 cup of alcohol into a tall container. It melts ice fast and boosts the whole mixture. Then add half a cup of white vinegar. Vinegar not only enhances the effect of the alcohol but also lowers the freezing point, helping the ice melt faster and preventing a new layer from forming. Add half a cup of boiled water to get the right consistency. Now add 1 tablespoon of a secret, very important ingredient. It forms a protective layer and slows down refreezing. Add a tablespoon of dish soap to help the mixture spread evenly. A few drops of essential oil will give it a pleasant scent, so it's effective and nice to use. Once mixed, pour everything into a spray bottle, close it and shake well. Spray it over the frosted windshield, and the ice will disappear within moments, leaving the glass perfectly clear. The secret ingredient is glycerin, thanks to which you can finally forget what morning scraping feels like. I don't waste time in the morning defrosting my car windows. At night, I spread a towel over the glass. The towel traps the moisture, so ice doesn't form, and the windows stay clear and ready to drive in the morning. Martins will stay far away from your car. You don't need expensive or harmful chemicals. This simple trick effectively protects your vehicle from these clever pests. Martins often roam at night and can chew through cables. To keep them away, take a plastic bowl and add 3 tablespoons of flour. It helps bind the ingredients and hold the scent together. Then add 2 tablespoons of dry yeast. Its strong smell, when it reacts with moisture, is especially repelling to martins. Finally, mix in 1 tablespoon of grated cheese. The cheese enhances the scent, but, when combined with yeast, creates an odor that martins can't stand. Mix everything well and place the bowl near your car, in the garage, or anywhere you've noticed signs of martins. You can also sprinkle some of the mixture under the hood. The combination of cheese and fermenting yeast produces a smell that repels martins. It's a natural, effective, and safe way to protect your car and stop worrying about chewed wires and nighttime noise. If you spot even a single fly, act immediately. It's a sign that more could be on the way. Instead of using chemical sprays, make the simple natural remedy. Pour about 10 ounces of water into a glass container. Grind a handful of cloves into a fine powder and add it to the water. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dried rosemary. Then toss in some mint, and finally, pour in some vinegar. Let this mixture sit for 24 hours. After that, strain it through a piece of gauze. Now you can use it in 3 different ways. Pour it into a spray bottle and spray areas around your balcony, windows, or doors to keep flies from entering. Another option is to pour the mixture into a small container, cover it with plastic wrap, and poke small holes in the top. This trap can be placed near doors or windows. You can also soak cotton pads in the mixture and rub them on window and door frames to create a natural barrier. This amazing blend is an effective way to keep unwanted flies out of your home. A simple, natural method for a more comfortable, insect-free space. Put this by your front door and your problem will be gone faster than you think. No other method works quite as well as this one. This clever trick is truly irreplaceable. All you need is a regular plastic bottle, preferably a large one, like the kind used for water or soft drinks. Tear off a few strips of aluminum foil and roll them into small balls. The foil is the key ingredient in this trick. Next, fill the bottle with water, about 2/3 full. Drop in the foil balls and tightly close the bottle with a standard cap. That's it. The bottle may look simple, but believe me, it works wonders. It acts like an invisible barrier. Just place it near your front door, along the side of your house, on your porch, or even in the garden. The light reflecting off the water and foil, both during the day and at night, effectively scares away unwanted animals. Stray cats, dogs, and even wild animals like deer will steer clear of your home. This method is perfect if you live in the countryside or near the woods. No chemicals, no special tools, just a simple, effective, and free solution. Your dogs and cats will never pee in the wrong place again. Use this trick daily. It'll save you tons of money and time. This DIY spray takes just a minute to make and will help your pet stop using the wrong spots. Once they smell it, they won't want to go there anymore. My neighbor struggled with her dog for a long time, but after using this method, the problem disappeared completely. You only need a few ingredients you probably already have at home. Start with a measuring cup and a pitcher. Pour 50 milliliters of vinegar into the cup, then transfer it to the pitcher. Next, measure 50 milliliters of water and add it to the pitcher. Add 3 tablespoons of any concentrated cleaning liquid. Mix well. Then, add 3 tablespoons of dish soap and stir again. Cut a lemon in half, squeeze the juice into the pitcher, and mix thoroughly. Your spray is ready. Now grab a clean spray bottle and pour the mixture in. That way you can store it and use it anytime. Spraying will be much easier and more convenient. Now you're ready to use it. Spray carpets in all the spots your pets tend to target. Say goodbye to pet pee stains for good. The color of a cat's fur says a lot about its personality. Curious about what your cat's coat color reveals about its character? You might be surprised. A white cat dislikes chaos and prefers a calm environment. It may be a bit shy around strangers, but once it warms up to someone, it shows plenty of affection. A black cat, on the other hand, loves to follow its own path, full of mysterious adventures. Yet when it returns home, it's happy to curl up on your lap and enjoy some cuddles. Ginger cats are a breed apart, sweet but cheeky. Give them a finger, and they'll take the whole hand. Courageous and lazy at the same time, they're unpredictable and clever, always ready to surprise you. A 2-colored cat is more laid back. It loves its comfort zone, usually a cozy couch or bed, and prefers sticking close to its owner. It thrives on routine and peace. Meanwhile, a 3-colored cat is like a wild card. One moment it craves affection. The next, it changes its mind and might show its claws. Hard to predict and full of mischief, it sometimes stirs up trouble, but knows how to charm its way back into your good graces. While coat color might offer some fun insights into a cat's temperament, there's no scientific proof of a link between fur patterns and personality traits. However, it's always fun to imagine. If you see a dog with a yellow ribbon, walk away. A yellow ribbon on a dog is not just an ornament. Every dog is different. Some enjoy people and gladly play with them. They like petting. They are trusting and friendly. Other dogs may react differently. Their behavior might surprise us. This is due to various dog personalities, their experiences with people, as well as factors like health status or age. A young puppy behaves differently from an older dog. A dog after surgery or illness behaves differently as well. Because of these various options, dog owners came up with the idea to mark their dogs. The color yellow is quite characteristic. Therefore, a yellow leash, collar, or simply a ribbon has a certain meaning. The yellow ribbon is a symbol of the Worldwide Yellow Dog Project initiative. If you want to mark your dog too, all you need is a simple yellow ribbon or tape. Make a bow and attach it to the collar or leash. This will be a sign for others to stay away. If your dog is afraid, nervous, or needs peace, use this method and inform others about its meaning. A yellow ribbon, tape, bandana, or leash means do not touch, do not approach. This way, your dog will be less stressed, regardless of the cause of its current mood. Grate a candle using a grater. I'll show you a unique method you've likely never heard of. Start with a regular candle, either new or leftover. It's a great way to use scraps that might otherwise go to waste. Use the coarse side of the grater to create shavings. Paraffin has exceptional properties. It's durable, moisture-resistant, and an excellent carrier for other ingredients. Transfer the shavings to a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the shavings. The aroma of sugar acts as a magnet, and its structure blends easily with other ingredients. Next, take a few walnuts, remove their shells, and finely chop them. Walnuts have a strong scent and natural oils. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts to the mixture. Thoroughly combine all the ingredients into a uniform blend. Take a sheet of aluminum foil and tear off a larger piece, then divide it into smaller rectangles. Place 1 tablespoon of the mixture onto each piece. Spread these portions near areas like balcony windows or doors. This simple homemade method helps repel rodents. This blend will keep your home free of mice and rats.